Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Mean Man Cooks. In today's episode, we are going to see a vegan fried ice cream. Let's see the ingredients required. Vegan banana ice cream, all-purpose flour for the batter, which we'll mix water and make a batter. Cornflakes we'll crush a little for the outer crispy crust. Oil for frying. Now let's make the batter. Let's take about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That should do. Now we'll add water gradually and make a batter of this. Keep stirring with a fork. For about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, we've added about half a cup of water. Now we've whisked the batter using a fork to check if the consistency is right. Just lift the fork and turn it over. You should be able to see the batter in between the spokes of the fork. If it is too dilute, the whole thing will come down in a jiffy. If it is too thick, it will not budge at all. This is how it needs to be. It's ready to fry. Now let's coarsely crush the cornflakes because we're going to coat the ice cream balls. That should do. This fried ice cream is a Mexican delicacy, a very yummy one, but not very easy to make at home. For one thing, our refrigerators are not made to freeze to the extent of industrial freezers. Even if you open freeze it, it comes to room temperature very quickly. And once you drop it in oil, in less than 30 seconds, it will start melting and mar the whole dish. We're bringing to you a fantastic alternative. We'll be using the vegan banana ice cream that will not melt so quickly. And even if it does, it's not going to leak into the hot oil. It's not going to mar our dish. So let's get started. Click on the link above for the frozen banana dessert. The wok is hot. Let's add the oil. Just gently scrape it so that we are able to make a small ball with it. I have set aside some in the freezer and I'll fry that for you now. If you're going to keep them over a period of time, I suggest you cover it with cling wrap, preferably individually, so that you can quickly unwrap it, drop it in the batter and the cornflakes and have a fried ice cream anytime you feel like having one. So these are the ones which have just come out of the freezer. Let's pop them into the batter, coat it, drop it into the cornflakes, the oil is hot, drop it in the hot oil. This is done. It's browning well. We'll remove this as well. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's drizzle a little chocolate sauce on it. That should do. Now it's time for me to taste it. Awesome, awesome, unbelievable. Try it right away. Believe me, try it right away. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meanman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meanman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.